hepatoprotective agents work. Now come to example. The first one is a very important drug, Silymarin. The synonyms of the drug include Mary thistle or holy thistle. The biological source is Silybum marianum, belonging to the family Compositae. It is available in India also. The geographical sources include Europe, Canada, America, and India. So, from this drug, we get Silymarin. The morphology of the part used of the plant is black to brown. The size is 1/4 of an inch. The shape will be flat. The chemical constituents includes 1 flavanol lignan mixture, that is Silymarin. Silymarin is also a composition. It is a mixture of silybine, isosilybine, silicrystine, and silydianine. The uses of this drug is in the treatment of jaundice, bronchitis, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. As you are well known about this drug, Silymarin. So let us see the next drug, which is widely used in Ayurveda. The second drug is Kutki. The synonym Picrorhiza Indian gentian. The biological source is the dried rhizome of Picrorhiza curua, belonging to the family Scrophulariaceae. The chemical constituents include picroside 1 and 2, corticoside, amarozantin. So let us see the uses of it. It is used as beta tonic, which is a hepatoprotective agent. You can see the chemical formula of amarozantin described in the slide. The third important plant is Bhringraj. The synonyms include Bhringraj or Bringa. The biological source is Eclipta alba, belonging to the family Compositae. The chemical constituents, which are hepatoprotective in nature, includes 3 alkaloids. One is eclipticin, epigenin, and vidololactone. Especially we use vidololactone. You can see the chemical formula presented in the slide. It is used to detoxify liver. It reduces inflammation, and Bhringraj stimulates hair growth. Now come to the fourth plant, that is dandelion or denelion. The synonyms include lion's teeth or Dugdha feni. The biological source of it is the whole plant of Pterygium officinal, belonging to the family Compositae. The chemical constituents, especially the bitter principle, is taraxacin, taraxacerin, lantopicrin, and one triterpenoid, which is usually used in liver syrups, taraxasterol. So it is used in hepatitis. It is used as a blood cleansing agent. It improves blood circulation, and denelin is a diuretic. So you can see taxasterol on the screen. This is the chemical formula of taxasterol, which is used in liver syrups. Now the fifth plant I would like to mention as important hepatoprotective agent is Chicory. That is Kashni, synonymous with Chicory. The biological source is Chicorium intavus, belonging to the family Compositae. The chemical constituents include usually the bitter principles, chicorin, lactocin, and intavin. It is used in jaundice. It helps in efficient functioning of the liver as well as gallbladder. It is also useful in anemia. So you can see the chemical formula of lactocin and lactopecrin here on the screen. Next comes the sixth plant, wild indigo. This is a natural dye, as you know. This is Sauropunkha. The biological source is Taphrosia purpureum, belonging to the family Fabaceae. It contains bioflavonoids, which are rutin, rotanoid, and tafrosin. All these three chemicals All these three active components are used in liver disorders. It is diuretic also. It cures asthma. It is a tonic for intestine. Here you can see the chemical formula displayed for the chemical component protein. Next comes a well-known drug, seventh drug, turmeric. The synonymous haldi, halad, Indian saffron. The biological source, it is the rhizome of Curcuma longa, belonging to the family Gingiveraceae. The chemical constituents include curcuminoids, which is a polyphenol, curcumin, desmethoxycurcumin, and bis-desmethoxycurcumin are important constituents of this drug, which are being used as liver supportive agent or hepatoprotective agents. The uses are: haldi reduces the risk of fatty liver, it protects the liver from damage, it is antiviral, it is anti-inflammatory. Here you can see the chemical structure of curcumin displayed on the screen. So let us go to the 8th plant, which is Shirata. The synonyms include Chirayata, East Indian balmoni. The biological source is Schwartia shirayata, belonging to the family Gentianaceae. The chemical constituents include amarozantin, gentiopicrin. It protects the liver from toxins, so it reduces liver toxicity. It purifies your blood. It helps in epilepsy. The structure of amarozantin has been displayed. You can go through it. Next plant, important plant, is Kalmaker. The synonyms: it is the king of bitter. It is also called Bhunimba. The biological source of this plant is Endographis paniculata, belonging to the family Acanthaceae. The chemical constituents include andrographolite, neoandrographolite, and kalmegin. The uses of this drug is hepatoprotective, it is anhelmintic, it cures dysentery. The chemical structure of andrographolite is being displayed. So, to conclude, from the above study, we can conclude that the plants, fruits, seeds, flowers described above could offer novel alternatives to the limited therapeutic options that exist for the treatment of liver diseases. Thus, these crude drugs should be considered in future studies. The derivatives of these polychemicals or phytochemicals or their combinations may show efficacy in various experimental toxic models. They may be developed as future drugs. They are promising drugs. They can be studied and utilized in near future. So the references I collected was from S.L. Deory, S.S. Kadavadi, and B.A. Basiskar, Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry, a Comprehensive Approach. The second book I referred was Treason Evans, Pharmacognosy, 15th edition, as a publication. So this much for today. Thank you so much and keep studying. Be healthy, stay safe at home. Thank you.